Let's make smash burgers.
You're going to want to make sure you stick around until the end. You won't want to miss how I make my special sauce. To make your smash burger, you're going to want to grab a bowl filled with about 3 pounds of 80-20 ground beef, which is 80% lean and 20% fat. And it gives like that really nice fatty, a little bit fatty and a little bit beefy texture that you want in a smash burger. First, to season, you're going to grab some salt. Just add as much as you would like. I'll add that much. And then I'll add a little bit of onion powder. Just a little bit. Some pepper. Some garlic salt. Or garlic pepper if you do not have that. And then some paprika. And that should be enough. And you got your seasonings ready. And now just mix to combine. Grab a glove and just mix it. So once your mixture is well combined, you will want to grab a baking sheet with parchment paper on it, and you will make about medium-sized balls and repeat till you have no more mixture left. So what's going to happen when you're making your patties is you can see how the fat is melting onto the gloves because of the heat. And that's when you know that you have the perfect fattiness ratio. So once you're done forming up your meatballs, you're gonna put those in the fridge until all of your ingredients are ready and you're all prepped. So to prep, you're gonna grab a tomato. Here I have a tomato, and I have a serrated knife. I find serrated knives easier to cut the tomatoes because they have edges, and like the normal ones, it's pretty hard without ruining the tomato shape. So I like to use serrated. And you're just gonna cut those up into slices. Once you cut up your tomato, you can cut more, but that's as much as I would need. And I have lettuce here, and I'm gonna cut those up into thin strips. So like this, should be good. And cut as much as you will need. That should be enough lettuce for me. So now I'm gonna grab a onion, and I'm gonna cut that up too. Into slices. And that's enough onion for me. So for your special sauce, you're gonna wanna grab 2 pickles and you're gonna dice them. Once your pickle is diced, you're gonna grab a bowl and transfer it on the bowl. And then you're gonna grab half a cup of mayo and pour that into your bowl. And then you're gonna grab some ketchup and pour that into your bowl. And that's it. Those are all the ingredients you need for your special sauce. And you're just gonna mix that up. And this is like a In-N-Out copycat version spread recipe, if you guys ever had it. But it tastes way better with without the packaging and the preservatives. And yeah, your special sauce is done. Before you start cooking your patties, you're gonna add your buns. So just add them into the hot grill. And they're gonna toast up. And you're just gonna wanna close the lid so they can get all steamy and grilled. So once your buns are done toasting, you're just gonna set them off to the side. So you're gonna add your thinly sliced white onion. And you're just gonna cook that until it gets all crispy and golden. So now you're gonna add your burger patty, and just grab a burger spatula or a burger press and smash the patty. And you're gonna cook that till it's all crispy and golden. Once your patty is all crispy and golden, you're gonna flip the patty, and now you're gonna add your cheese and cover with the lid and cook till the cheese is super gooey and melty. Once your cheese is all melty and gooey like this, you're gonna grab your bun and you're gonna put the meat on top of it. And now let's go put the toppings. I'm gonna grab slice of tomato, some lettuce, 1 leaf, and some onion. And then put your top bun. And there you have it, your perfect burger. These burgers turned out great. They're super gooey and cheesy and have a crispy edge. I'm not kidding when I say this is the best burger I've ever ate.